So children, we were discussing 22.2 exercise R.D. Sharma, volume of cylinders, 8th class. So this is almost video 4 children, I think. So 31st children, because we already discussed till 30th question. I'm sorry, 31st question. A cylindrical tube open at both the ends. Children, a cylindrical tube is there, which is open at the both ends. Okay, is made of metal. The internal diameter of the tube is 10.4. The internal diameter means like this if you consider an internal diameter. So internal diameter means it is 10.4 centimeter. Okay, please see children, internal diameter is 10.4 and the length is 25 centimeter. Length is 25 centimeter. Please mute your audio. Length is 25 centimeter and thickness of the metal is 8 mm. Thickness is 8 mm. Okay, children, thickness is 8 mm. Calculate the volume of the metal. So children, so internal and external diameter is there. This we should ask Rishikesh only always. So Rishikesh, what is the volume of the metal? Volume of hollow cylinder, Nana. Rishikesh,
Yes, sir.
volume
Yes, sir.
of hollow cylinder?
Sir, pi r
Pi
h,
h.
pi h into big R square minus small r square.
Volume of hollow cylinder is pi h into big R
Pi
square.
h into big R square minus small r square is equals to 22 by 7 into 25 into big R is 18.4 centimeters.
See, this is 10.4 means.
Sir, it's mm or centimeters, sir?
This is mm. Mm is 0.8 centimeters.
0.8. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
11.2.
10.4 means how much this is radius? 5.2.
5.2.
And 5.2 plus 0.8 is 6.
6.
Outermost is 6 centimeters.
6 centimeters.
So tell me.
Big R square is equal to 6 centimeters. 6 square is minus 5.2 square is equals to 22 by 7 into 25 into 36 minus
A plus B is 11.2. A minus B is 0.8. A square minus B square is A
B
plus
square,
B
yes.
into A minus B.
A minus B.
Yeah. So how much it will be? 7 anja, 7 6 ja. So 22 into 25 into 1.6 into
0.8.
0.8. So how much you get? That much cc is the volume of the cylinder.
Yes.
704, sir.
Thank you, Nana. Yeah, mute your audio. So 30 seconds, children. 30 seconds. From top of inner radius 0.5 centimeters. From the tap, there is a tap, children. Okay. See, this is the tap, children. He's saying from the tap, water is flowing, children. From the tap of inner radius 0.75. This is radius is 0.75 centimeter is the radius. And tap of radius is water flows at the rate of 7 meters per second. The speed of water which is coming out here, the speed of water is 7 meters per second. Find the volume in liters in 1 hour. How much volume of the water will fall in 1 hour? Raghuram, can you tell?
Yes, sir.
In liters.
Sir, volume is equals to pi r square h.
Very good.
Volume is equals to 22 by 7 into 0.75 into 0.75 into h.
H means speed into time.
Speed
Because
into
height is some distance. Height is some distance. So distance is equal to the speed into time.
yes. Volume is equals to 22 by 7 into 0.75 by 100 into 75 by 100 into 7 into 100 into 60 into 60.
Because in 1 hour, 60 to 60 seconds will be there. Okay. 25 3 are
75 3 are 75 3 are 4.
25 4
15
7 gets cancelled.
4 15 4 15
So volume is equal to 22 into 3 3 is 9 into 5 5 is 225. So volume is equal to 9 to the 18 192 into 225. How much means that much? This is, what is
Sir,
this? 198 into 225. What is this? Meter
sir,
cube.
uh, sir, sir,
Huh?
44,550,
No,
sir.
no, 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 no. Don't do. Did I ask you to do? Meter cube. How to convert meter cube to liters?
Divided by
Into thousand. Into
into
thousand.
thousand,
Into
into
thousand.
thousand.
Meter cube to liters is into thousand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Meter cube to liters is into thousand always. Okay. So what you will do now? You multiply now. How much you got?
Sir, 40,
198 into 225 10 to the power of 3.
sir, 198 into 225 is 44,550.
550 and 3 more zeros here.
Yes.
So, uh, so this is this much liters. This much liters. Okay, if you want to write in standard form, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4.455 into 10 to the power of
Into 10 to the power of
7.
7.
Sir, down after speed into time, why did you wrote 16 to 62 times?
Because time is 1 hour. In 1 hour, how many seconds? 16 to 60 seconds.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Someone is asking doubts also. Good boy. Okay, next. 33rd. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A cylindrical water tank of diameter 1.4 meter. A cylindrical water tank is there of diameter 1.4 meter, 1.4, and height is 2.1 meter. Height is 2.1 meter. Is being fed by a pipe of diameter. Into this, a pipe is coming with some water whose diameter is fed with a pipe whose diameter is 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. Okay, is fed with a diameter of 3.5 centimeters, through which water flows at the rate of 2 meters per second. Speed of water is 2 meters per second. Speed of water. Okay. How much time the tank will take to fill? In how much time you can fill the tank? In how much time you can fill the tank? Volume of this cylinder is equal to volume of this cylinder. Volume of pipe is equal to volume of tank. Tell now. Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder. Harsha, are you there or not? Okay, Meghana, you tell now, Meghana. Volume of pipe
Yes,
is equal
sir.
to,
Pi r square h is equal to pi r square h.
okay. Radius
Pi
is
cancel. The 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2
height we can
in
write as
speed into time
very good.
is
So
equal to 1.4 0.7 into 0.7 into speed 2.1
see, this is in centimeters. Centimeters to meters, what we will do?
divided by 100.
Divide by 100. So speed, how much I gave? 2.
2 meters per second.
Okay, if you remove this point also, 35 by
35 by 2000 into 35 by 2000
into
into
speed is
speed
2
2
time
into time is equal to 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 21 by 10.
okay. So 3 zeros gone. 3
3 zeros
zeros gone.
cancel.
Okay. 7
7 fives are
5s are
7 fives are
7 5s are 5 400s
4
are
400
5
5
80s are.
80 zero.
This 2 gets cancelled. This 80 will go here. So time is equal to
Time is equal to
21 into 80.
1680
1680 seconds.
seconds.
How to convert into minutes, seconds? 560.
560.
So how much minutes you can expect? 6 2s are 12.
Sir, 28 minutes.
28 minutes.
28 minutes. It will take, very good. 28 minutes. This will take to fill up this tank. 28 minutes. This will take to fill up this tank. Just a tank will take 28 minutes to fill this tank. Like this. So children, centimeters to meters, when to convert, how to convert, what to do, everything. You should be thorough with this, children. If you don't understand, later it will become problem again. Next. Okay, children, 34th question. 34th question. Okay, a rectangular sheet of paper 30 into 18 centimeters. Rectangular sheet of paper 30 into 18 centimeters is there. 30 into 18 centimeters is transformed into a cylinder in two ways, either by rolling longer side or find the ratio of volumes of two cases. Already this we did, children. Okay, who will tell children this one? Along long, who will tell this, children? Who will tell along longer side and along shorter side? Who
Sir,
will
can
tell?
I say,
Yeah,
sir?
tell. Yeah, tell.
Is along longer side is equal, the height will be uh, uh, is circumference 30 and height will be 18.
Along
And
the shorter
along
side.
the height will be 30 and circumference will be 18.
Very good. Circumference is 18. So circumference is 2 pi r is equal
Circumference
to
2 pi r is equals to 30. 2 pi r is equals to 18. 2 into
r is equal to 30 by
r
2 pi.
2 pi. R is equals to 18 by 2 pi.
Now tell me ratio of volumes. How do you find out?
Sir, volume 1 by volume 2 is equals to pi r square h by pi r square h2
If I
is
by
equal to
cancel,
pi cancel.
r1 is how much?
R1 is 30 by 2 pi and R2 is 18 by 2 pi.
30 by 2 pi into 30 by 2 pi
2
into
pi
18.
18 by 18 by 2 pi into 18 by 2 pi into 30.
30, very good. 2 pi, 2 pi.
2 pi cancel, yes. 18, 18
30
cancel,
cancel.
30, 30
18.
cancel.
So
30 by 18,
30 by 18 means
15 by 9, uh,
5 by 3.
so 5 by 3 is equals
5 is
5
to
is
3.
to 3.
Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Okay, children. So like this you have to do. Next, Pravalika is there.
Yes, sir.
Next, 35. Okay, how many liters of water flow through a pipe? This is a pipe, children. How many liters of water flow through this pipe? Having area of cross section. The area of cross section here is how much means 5 centimeters square. In 1 minute. In 1 minute, if water is flowing at the speed of 30 centimeter per second. Yeah, Pravalika. Pravalika.
Yes, sir.
Tell them.
So V is equal to 22
Height is equal to speed into
is into the
area. How much area?
5
Speed.
into 30.
1 minute has how many
1,
seconds? 60.
60.
So 5 3 are 15, 15 6 are 90. How to convert meter cube to liters? Into 1000. Meter cube to liters? Into 1000.
Into
So 9 into 10 to the power of 6 liters. So 9.0 into 10 to the power of 6 liters will flow in 1 minute. Next, Nandika, are you there? A solid cylinder is having TSA 231. Hansika, are you there? Centimeter square. CSA is 2/3 of TSA. Find the volume. Okay. So Sujit.
Sir,
CSA is 2 by 3 of TSA. TSA is how much?
uh, 231.
3 7 yeah, 3 7 yeah. So CSA is 2 7 the 14, 2 7 the 15, 154 centimeters square. Okay. So TSA by CSA. What is the formula for TSA?
2 pi r r plus h by 2 pi r
H. Okay. So TSA by CSA is 3 by 2 children. This CSA will come here. This CSA by CSA is 3 by 2. Okay. R plus H by H. Okay. H will go here, 2 will go here. How much, Nana?
3h is equal to 2 r plus 2.
H is equal
H
to
is equal to 2 r.
H is equal to 2R. Now once H is equal to 2R, what we will do now? What is CSA formula? CSA formula 2 by R.
2 pi r h.
CSA how much? 154 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into Radius we don't know. Height we will write it as 2r. 22 sevens are 7 into 7. 7 square is equal to 2 into 2. 2 square into r square. R into r. Square, square, square gone. 2 will go here. R is equal to 7 by 2. 3.5 centimeter. Height is equal to 2r. 2 into 7 by 2. 2 to cancel. 7 centimeter. Now you have to find out volume. Volume is equal to how much? Pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into radius is how much, children? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7. So 7 7 cancel, children. 2 11s are, so 11 into 49 by 2. How much, children? 11 into 49 by 2. Anyone? 11 9 are 11 4 are 44 30 53 by 2.
Sir, 269.5.
269.5 meter cube or centimeter cube. Like this you are going to do, children. Okay, next. Next, 36 to the 4 into 37. Yeah. Harsha is there?
Yes, sir.
Find the cost of making a tube well. Cost of making tube well, which is 280 meters deep. 280 meters deep, having diameter 3. Having the diameter is 3 meters. At the rate of 3 per cost is 3 rupees per meter cube. 3 rupees per meter cube cost is the digging of this well. Cost is, if you want to dig the cost is 3 rupees per meter cube. Find also the cost of cementing the CSA. This is volume, and CSA cost is 250 per meter square. Okay, so tell me now, first find volume.
So volume is equal to pi r square h, sir, is equal to 2.
Tell what happened. Suddenly you will stop in the middle always.
Four.
So 22 into 9 into 10. 1980 meter cube, children. Meter cube. But the cost you have, cost also they are asking. So 1 meter cube is 3 rupees. So 1980, how many rupees? So children, how much it will come, children? How much it will come, children? So
Sir,
1980.
660.
No, 5950 rupees you are getting. Cost of digging the well. This is volume. Now CSA. Can anyone tell CSA, children? Formula? 2 pi.
2 pi RH
Okay.
is equals to 2 into
Hey,
22.
what? Lot of disturbance. Wait. 740 is the children. This is gone. So 66 into 40 children. 4624. 2640 centimeters square, children. Now cost, children. What is the cost, children? Into 250 you have to do, children. Into 250. Yeah, Raghav, how much, children? 2640 into 250 cost. How much cost?
Sir, 6,600.
6,600, children. 6,600 rupees. Thank you. Yeah, children. Thank you. Raghav, tell me this separate.
Yes, sir.
Find the length of 13.2 kg of copper. See, the mass of copper is 13.2 kg. Mass of copper is 13.2 kg. Diameter is 4 mm. Diameter is 4 mm. Okay, and 1 cc of copper weighs 8.4 grams. Okay, he's
Yes.
asking what is the length of the wire. Tell.
Sir, 1 cc is equals to 8.4 grams.
Okay.
Then
How many-
the
how
volume is equals to
How many
13.
cc will weigh?
13,200 grams.
Okay, so volume is how much?
30 volume is equals to 13,200 grams divided by 8.4.
Remove this point here. Now tell me volume.
0.
Volume formula. Volume is equal to.
Volume is equals to pi r square h.
Okay.
That 1,32,000 by 84 is equals to 22 by 7 into
Radius is how
22.
much?
Radius is 4
2
2
mm.
meters. 2
2 mm.
meter 2 mm.
Convert mm to centimeters. Convert mm to centimeters.
2 mm by 10 into 2 by 10 into height.
Okay. So h is equal to
H is equals to 1,32,000 into 7 into 10 into 10 divided by uh, 84 into 22 into 2 into 2.
so 22 6 are 134.
6.
Okay. Na?
So
So
2
6
3,
1 ja 6 6 4 are 24. 7 2 are
7
14.
2s are
2
2
5 are
5s are
2
2
5 are
5s are
2 5 are 5 5 are 25. 25 5 are 125.
125
125 and
125
20 centimeters. If you
yes
want to convert into meters, do by 100.
by 100
You get
125
125 meters. This much copper wire can be bought. Original like this you can. Next. Meghana, tell me next one.
Yes, sir.
Next one is like this 39. 2.2 decimeter cube of brass wire. Volume is 2.2 decimeter cube of brass wire. This is drawn into a cylinder. Wire of diameter is 0.25 centimeters. Find the length. Yeah, direct sum.
Yes, sir. Volume is equal to pi r square h. 2.2 is
How
equal
to
to
convert decimeter cube to meter cube?
divide by 10 into 10 into 10.
Fantastic, Nana. Decimeter to meter is by 10. Cube means 10 into 10 into 10. 22 by
22 by 7 into 0.25 by 2 into 0.25 by 2 into height
but this is in centimeters. How to convert centimeters to meters?
by 100.
By 100. Centimeters to meters by 100. Okay. So here if I remove one point, I will get
22 by 10,000 is equal to 22 by 7 into 25 by 4 zeros into 25 by 20,000 into h.
H. Okay, na? So 140, 140 cancel. 122, 122 cancel. 25 8s are 200. 25 4s are 100. So 7, 2, 8, 4 will go that side. Because H is here, no, that's why. 7
h is
into
equal to 7 into 2 into 8 into 4, 14 into 32
so 14 into
into
8
32,
into 4.
8 into 4,
4 56 into 8. That
56
is
into
8
8,
6 8 5
448.
448 meters. Wire can be drawn. Okay, children, like this. Probably connect shooter. 48th one. A well which is 10 meters inside diameter. A well is there, children. This is which is diameter is 10 meters. A well is 10 meters in diameter. A well is 10 meters in diameter. See here. Is that 8.4 meter deep? That gives 8.4 meter depth. 8.4 meter. Earth taken out is spread all along to now here embankment is constructed. Embankment. Okay, and embankment width is 7.5 meter. Embankment width is 7.5 meter. Okay, find the height of the embankment. What is the height of this embankment? Who will tell this? Embankment is a hollow cylinder.
Sir, can I try it?
Yeah.
Sir, hollow cylinder formula is pi
Volume
h.
of well is equal to volume
Well
of
is equals
embankment.
volume of m.
So volume of
Pi
well, a
is
volume of cylinder is equal to
pi r square h.
volume of hollow cylinder.
Hollow cylinder.
Okay, so pi r square
Pi
h
r
is
square
equal
h is equals to pi h into r capital R square minus small r square. Pi cancel. 5 into 5 into 8.4 is equals to
small r is 5 and
5
width is 7.5.
7.
So big R is how much?
God is 7
12.5.
7 12.5. 12.5 whole square minus 5 whole square.
Okay. 5
5
into
into 5 into 8.4 is equals to
A plus
h
B is 17.5.
10.5
A minus B is 7.5.
7.
Bring this down. So H is equal to
H is equals to 5 into 5 into 8.4 divided by 17.5 into 7.5.
okay. So 5 into 5 into
5 into 8.4 84 into 10
165
into
by
7
25.
25 10 into 100
25 3s are 25 4s are
25 4s are
3 2s are 3 8s are
sir 5
25 7s are
7s
7
are
4s are
4s
4
are
4s are 16 by 10
16 1.6 meter
is the height of
is the height of hollow
embankment. Okay, thank you. Nana. Very good. So children, embankment means hollow cylinder. Remember all this. Embankment means the parapet wall which will construct around the well, children. Around the well, that is embankment is a hollow cylinder. Internal radius I took 5. External radius 5 plus 7.5 I took. Internal radius is 5. External radius is 5 plus thickness. 5 plus thickness I took, children. Like that you have to do, children. Like that. Okay. Please check, children. Last 3 sums are there. Let's complete off. So that. Okay, children. So 41 some children. Vedant is not there today. Nandika is also not there. 41. A hollow garden roller. Nandika is there it seems. Tell Nandika. A hollow garden roller 63 centimeters wide. The diameter is 63 centimeters. Okay, and 63 and with a girth. Girth means its circumference. Girth means circumference. Circumference. This circumference. Girth. Girth means circumference. Girth of 440 centimeters is made 4 centimeters thick iron. Is made up of 4 centimeters thick iron. The thickness is 4 centimeter. Thickness is 4 centimeter. Thickness is 4 centimeter. Find the volume of the iron. This is a hollow cylinder. What is volume of hollow cylinder formula?
So 2 pi r.
A pi h
pi
equals.
h into
Oh,
capital
sorry.
R square minus small r.
Okay.
Oh, volume. Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Got confused.
So that is volume of hollow cylinder formula. But we have diameter and thickness. Diameter is how much? 63.
63 centimeters.
That is external diameter. I think they have given. Yeah. Garden roller. Yeah, this is external diameter. Internal diameter is how much? 63.
63 minus 459.
No, 63 minus 8. Thickness here, thickness will be there. Here, thickness will be there.
Okay,
So
sir.
63, 8,
minus 8.
how much? 55.
55.
This is internal diameter. This is external diameter. Okay. And height we don't have. Height we don't have. That's why what we'll do.
And circumference. We can take radius now, sir. Oh, radius is given, right?
Okay.
From
So
circumference, we can take a height.
from circumference, 1 second. The circumference is external circumference only they have given anyway. So external circumference is equal to 2 pi big R h. This is 440.
440 is equal to 2 pi 2 into 22 by 7 into our
Big R is how
radius is
much? Big R is how much?
63 by 2.
63 by 2 into h.
H.
2 to 1. 22 20 is a 7 9 is a. So height is how much?
20 into 20 by 9.
20 by 9 meter. Now tell me the volume. How to find out?
Okay, sir.
Now how to find
Volume
out?
is equal to pi h big R square minus small r square.
Okay, fantastic.
Volume is equal to 20 by 9 into, sorry, 22 by 7 into 20 by 9 into radius. Okay, 63 by 2 whole square minus 55 by 2 whole square.
Okay.
22 by 7 into
A plus B. 63 plus 155. How much? 63 plus 55 is how much? 118 by 2.
118 by 2.
A minus B. 8 by 2.
Sir, 8 by 2.
8 by 2. So 9. Anything will go?
Sir, 8 by 2 can be solved. No, sir. 8 by 2, 18. 118 by
2 5s are 2 9s are 18. Anything will go? Nothing will go. So children, nothing is going. So what will do? Just tell me like that only how much is the answer. So this will be around 41. No children, 40. First answer is 10712 centimeters cube. This is approximately. This is the answer sheet. Next, 40 second. Rishikesh will do 40 second. Rishikesh, what length of the cylinder? 2 centimeters in diameter. Diameter is 2 centimeter. No, decreases TV volume must be taken to recast into
Sir,
a
I got
hollow.
more less than that, sir. I got 1412.63.
Yes, ma'am, we will check. Some Rishikesh, mute your audio. A lot of disturbance is there.
Yes, sir.
So, what length of solid cylinder 2 centimeter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeters? Of length 16 centimeters, external diameter 20. External diameter 20.
Sir, should I say the sum?
External diameter is 20. 1 second. External diameter is 20 and thickness is 2.5 mm. So, what length is asking? Here. So, volume of
Volume of hollow cylinder is equal
no
to
volume of solid cylinder is equal to volume of hollow cylinder.
hollow cylinder.
So pi r square.
Pi r
is
square h is equal to pi h into r1 square r2
radius is how much? 1.
square. 1.
This the height is
1 into
here
1.
height is how much? 16.
16, sir.
So big R is how much?
10.
10 centimeters. So 10.
And
square.
smaller is 5.
No, this is 2.5. Wait, 2.5 mm. This is 2.5
Okay.
mm. 2.5 mm means 0.25 centimeters. 0.25 here, 0.25 here. If I remove internal diameter, I will get 19 centimeters.
1, yes, sir.
So 19
10.
by 2 whole square.
19 by 2 whole square.
Yeah, so h is equal to
H is equal to 16 into 10 minus.
what we will do? What we will do means so see 10 I can write as 20 by 2 whole square. 20 by 2 whole square.
Yes,
10.
sir.
Now a plus b is 39 by 2.
39 by 2
A minus b is
into
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
So 2 to the
2
4.
4.
So height is 4 9 36 4 3
4
12.
into 39.
156
156 is height.
156 centimeters answers. They are giving different answers. I don't understand. We are doing wrong. They are giving wrong. They gave answer is 20.62 centimeters. We got
Sir.
156.
Sir, they asked length, sir.
Length only, Nana. Height or length is same, Nana. Height or length is same. I did correct for 2 centimeters in diameter. Everything I did correct. External diameter 20 means 0.25, 0.25. Yeah, Nana. I did the here wrong. Nana. 0.25, 0.25 if you remove 19.5, nobody is saying. Very, very bad children. Nobody is saying. 0.25, 0.25 means 19.5 will come here. So here, very bad children. Nobody is saying. Rishikesh, Raghuram, nobody is saying, which you are not listening. 19.5 by 2 whole square. That's why you went wrong. So h is equal to 16 into a plus b means how much, Nana?
Sir, 39.5 by 2.
A minus b is 0.5.
0.5 by 2.
Now 4 is 16. 4 into 5 is how much? 22. So 39.5 into 2. So 39.5 into 2 means how much? 79. Now also we got wrong. They gave 20.62 centimeters. I don't know where we did mistake. Anyone can find out where we did mistake? Now also I did not even understand. We didn't do any mistake. First time means yes I did. Last sum. Who will take last sum? Megan, I will give you a chance. Megan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
43rd sum. In the middle of rectangular field, see this is a rectangular field, 30 into 20. Okay, meters. In the middle somewhere, a well is dug. 7 meters in diameter, 7 meters in diameter, and 10 meters in depth. 10 meters in depth. Okay, and the soil taken out is evenly spread remaining part. What is the raise in the level of this ground? Very, very beautiful sum, children. Megan, if you tell you are the really you are Gemma, if you tell this sum. The soil taken out from the well is kept in the remaining part. What is the raise in the level of the portion?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
First,
No. Yeah.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Yeah. Tell.
Sir, volume of the cylinder is kept on the volume of that rectangle. Then volume of
Rectangle
the
means rectangle won't be there. Cuboid will be there.
yes, a cuboid, and
Hmm.
the volume of the cylinder afterwards is taken from the cuboid, sir.
But what you are telling is little bit correct only because if it is outside means directly we can say volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cuboid. But this is inside only, no? Volume
Yes,
of,
sir.
so listen children, all of you, very, very beautiful synthesis. Volume of well is equal to volume of remaining land. Remaining land. Volume of well is volume of cylinder. Volume of remaining land means area of remaining land into height. This rise in height they are asking. Volume of cylinder means pi r square h. Remaining area means children. Area of rectangle
Sir,
minus
area of cuboid minus
hey,
area.
తప్పు చెప్తున్నా. Area of rectangle minus area of circle you should do. Why means from this much area we should remove. This is the remaining area. Am I correct, children? From the
Yes, sir.
rectangle, this much area we should remove because here is the well. So now you have to do, children. So pi r square h is equal to area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of circle is pi r
pi r
square
square into
into
h.
h. Now this children beautiful sum, children. Please don't forget. Tell me substitution, Megan. What happened, Megan? Yeah. Radius is 7 by
7
2.
by 2 into 7 by 2 into 10 is equal to
Length into breadth is how much?
30 into 20
30 into 20
20
minus
minus pi r square 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 whole square into 7 by 2 into h.
this
7
what?
7 cancel, 2 11s are
77 by 2 is 38.5. 38.5 into 10 is 385.
385 is equal to 600 minus 7 7 cancel, 2 11s are 11 to 7 7 38.5 into h.
77 by 2 is 38.5. So 385, 600 minus 38.5,
561.5
561.5
into
into h. This
h.
will go down.
H is equal to 385 by 561.5.
561.5. So that will come off 68.6 centimeters. So children, how was the sum, children? This is very, very really very, very beautiful sum, children. Because those who didn't understand, again I'm saying volume of well is happy, no problem. But volume of remaining land means area of rectangle minus area of circle you should do. Because the circular portion will not be there, no? That into h, because the area into height is volume. Okay, children, so like this we have to do.
Sir, sir, 380, 561.5 is greater than 385, sir. Then we will
Yeah.
get in 0.
No, you will get the answer in meters. I converted it to centimeters.
Yes.
You will get answer in meters. I converted it to centimeters. Okay, children. So like that you have to do, children. Thank you so much. Practice all the sums, children.